erupted, we were standing here, we were caught in the middle and nearly overrun by panicked crowds who were running back and forth. And I saw soldiers climbing into the hatches of their tanks, locking them, and basically hiding as the pitched battle erupted. There was a moment, a brief moment, where we thought perhaps the fighting would end. People got in between the two rival factions, in between the stones that were being thrown back and forth, and called for peace, very bravely, very heroically. And the two sides came together side by side. They stood, they talked, they were waving Egyptian flags, no violence. And then, an unbelievable scene, a column of men on horseback and on camels, and we may be able to show you that video now. This was in the afternoon, charged into the crowd on horseback and on camels, waving whips and flogging the opposition demonstrators. It was a scene like none other I've seen in a modern city. And from that moment on, we have had hour after hour of violence and vicious street battles here, with casualties mounting. From this side, we see again and again young men bleeding from the head being carried out to makeshift medical clinics where women are treating them, where a handful of doctors are treating them, trying to stop the bleeding. And in the center of Tahrir Square, away from the front lines where the battles are raging, groups of women sitting, weeping, terrified about the violence that they have seen unfold here. Aisha?
Ivan Watson, we thank you. Let me ask you to stand by. CNN's rolling coverage of the clashes taking place right now in Tahrir Square, Cairo, continue with my colleague Jim Clancy. Jim?
Aisha, thank you. We continue to watch these pictures. Let's set the stage here as we continue our nonstop coverage of the crisis in Egypt. We watched anger boiling over there, specifically in this square. This battle has been raging in Tahrir, or Liberation Square, now for hours. We're seeing more firebombs hurled than we have seen throughout the day. But astonishing pictures of a street brawl in the heart of the Egyptian capital. Government supporters have moved in. They are surrounding protesters who are inside Tahrir Square, who want President Hosni Mubarak out of office. Now, take a look. This is how it